Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss SQL joins. SQL joins are used to combine records from two or more tables in a database. First, we are going to discuss inner join. Inner join is used to retrieve the matching record from both the tables. Let's understand the inner join with the help of two tables, table A and table B. Table A has four columns: employee ID, first name, last name, and hire date. Table B has two columns: employee ID and project name. We need to create a dataset containing employee ID, first name, last name, hire date from table A and project name from table B. We can see that there is a common column between the two tables named employee ID. Using this employee ID, we can create a dataset containing matching records from both the tables. For example, employee ID 1, 3, 8, 11 and 28 are present on both tables. So once we create the dataset, this is what it will look like. This dataset will display the matching records from both the tables on employee ID column only. Let's understand the joins with the help of two tables, table EMP and table project. Before coming to the joins, let's understand the concept of alias. We need to provide alias to all the tables we are going to use in SQL joins. Why it is important? Because there are some column which is common in both the tables. For example, E-code. E-code is present in table EMP as well as project table. So we need to call an alias E for table EMP and P for table project. So if we are extracting E-code from table EMP, we will add E before E-code. And if we are extracting E-code from table project, then we will add p.ecode. Okay, so this is our table EMP. These are the columns of table EMP, and this is our project table. And these are the columns of table project. Why I am writing top 5? Because if I write select asterisk from table EMP, then it will extract all the rows from this table. That will consume my efficiency as well as time. So just to reduce the time, I am writing top 5. It will only extract the top 5 row because I just want to see the data structure. That's why we are interested to see the top 5 rows only. Okay, now write down select e dot ecode, e dot first name, e dot last name, e dot hire date, and p dot project name. So these are the 5 columns that we want to retrieve from table EMP, and this is the column we want to retrieve from table project using the inner join. Now because E-code, first name, last name and hire date is coming from table EMP, that's why we have add E before these 4 columns, and project name is coming from project table, that's why we have added P before project name. Now write from and then give your first table name along with alias, and now write down inner join. Now give your second table name, and now we will give the name of the column which is common in both the table, that is E-code. So write down on e dot ecode is equal to p dot ecode. This E-code will refer to employee table and this E-code will refer to project table. Okay, so we have given the name of all the columns we want to extract from both the tables, and this is our first table, this is our type of join, this is our second table, and this is the common column between two tables. Now select the statement and click on execute button. We can see that we have extracted the data set from these two tables using inner join on E-code column. Now the important thing to note over is that This query will only retrieve the matching record from both the tables on eCode column. If we look at the data set, we will see that we don't have the eCode 1016 and 1017 because these two IDs are not present in project table. Let me just retrieve the data from project table. Select asterisk from, click on execute. Okay, you can see that eCode 1016 and eCode 1015 is not present in the project table. Because it is not present in the project table, that's why our query will not extract the record of 1015 and 1016 because inner join will give the record which is matching. All these records are present in both the tables. That's why we are getting this data. The record which is not present in the project table, we will not receive the data of those record in our query. So this is how the inner join will work. Inner join will only retrieve the record which is common in both the tables. Thanks for watching this video.